Hi, in this video, I'd like to show you the functionality of our compose settings. So in this example, I'm the administrator and I switch it to admin compose just for the simplicity of the demo. But this is the admin compose settings. So right now, the compose has not been run. And I'm clicking here to use identifiers to cluster group students in particular classes before the algorithm is run. So I'll do both of these, inclusive and exclusive. So here is ELL. So I want all the students who are identified as ELL to end up in Amy Lopez's class. So I'll select that and I'll save this. Now you'll see there's one rule applied. Okay. So now I'll go to the digital data wall for this grade level and run compose. And now I'll click on ELL and filter. Here is all the ELL students, and they're in Amy's class, but it's not exclusive. So there's other students who get filled in. Okay. So now I'm going to start over and show you the other scenario. So I'll go back to home, and now I'm going to change this rule to be exclusive. So now only ELL students will be allowed into Amy's class. No other students will be placed there. Okay, so I'll save. And now I'll go back and run compose. And this is the new class for next year. And here is the exclusive setting for compose settings. Only ELL students can be here. All the other students end up in the other classes. So this is very beneficial when you really want to cluster certain students in certain classes. Our algorithm will do the work for you. You don't have to drag and drop. It's already done ahead of time. Okay, thank you so much.